If you can't focus anymore, it's not laziness. It's conditioning. Your brain has been trained to abandon effort the moment discomfort appears. In the next 30 days, we're going to reverse that. Not with motivation, but by installing a new operating system. Focus doesn't disappear all at once. It erodes in small moments that feel harmless. One notification, one tab, one quick escape from discomfort. Your brain learns something every time this happens. It learns that effort is optional, that discomfort means leave. And the more often you leave, the faster the habit forms. This isn't a lack of discipline. It's conditioning. This isn't a productivity video, and it isn't about willpower. It's about how focus actually breaks and how it's rebuilt, not all at once, but gradually, systematically, over the next 30 days. Most people fail because they fight their mind. They try to force focus inside a system that's designed to steal it. That never works. What works is replacing the system. And there is one moment in this process where almost everyone slips. It happens quietly, around day 12. That's when the brain starts negotiating. Not loudly, not dramatically. It simply suggests that you've done enough. In a moment, I'll show you exactly what to do when that happens. The first week has nothing to do with willpower. It's about environment. Most people try to focus inside systems that are engineered to distract them. Then they blame themselves when they fail. That's backwards. Focus improves fastest when you remove friction from the right places and add friction to the wrong ones. Your phone stops living on your desk. Notifications stop deciding when you think. Tabs stop multiplying. You don't need motivation here. You need fewer exits. Design the environment, and focus follows. Week 2 is where most people misunderstand focus. They think it's about long sessions. It isn't. It's about repetition. Short, clean starts. Short, clean finishes. You train the act of beginning and the act of staying. By day 12, something predictable happens. Your brain notices the pattern changing, and it pushes back. It says you've earned a break, that you can stop early, that one distraction won't matter. That voice isn't you. It's the old operating system trying to regain control. When it happens, you don't argue. You stand up, drink water, wait 60 seconds. Then you sit back down. No reward, no escape, just reset. Week 3 rebuilds attention span. Focus doesn't disappear because tasks are hard. It disappears because boredom feels dangerous. So you retrain your relationship with it. You learn to stay. 10 minutes a day with no stimulation. No phone, no music, just walking. At first, boredom feels uncomfortable. Then it becomes neutral. And eventually, your attention stops panicking. That's when focus returns. The final week makes the change permanent. This is where identity takes over. You stop trying to focus and start behaving like someone who does. Focus becomes a rule, not a mood. Unavailable during work blocks. No negotiation with distraction. Start on time, even when it's uncomfortable. This isn't discipline, it's self-respect.
If you do this for 30 days, your brain relearns effort. You don't need more motivation. You don't need hacks. And you don't need willpower that never lasts. You need a system that works with your psychology, not against it. When that system is in place, focus stops feeling like something you have to force. It becomes something you return to. Quiet, stable, available when you need it. That's how focus is rebuilt. Not in a day, not in a moment of inspiration, but over time, by changing the system that trained it away in the first place. And if this video helped you see focus differently, you're not alone. Most people struggle with attention in silence and never talk about it. If something here resonated, leave a comment. I read them. And if you want more content like this, subscribe. Not for motivation, but for understanding how your mind actually works.